Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today, we are testing your knowledge with 7 must-know MCQs for HVAC technicians and students. These are very basic, but very important for your exams and interviews. Let's see how many you can get right. So, are you ready? Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. What does HVAC stand for? A. High voltage air conditioning. B. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. C. Heat volume and air circulation. D. Home ventilation and cooling. Let's see the answer. B. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. 2. How many BTUs, British thermal units, make up 1 ton of refrigeration? A. 5,000 BTU per hour. B. 9,000 BTU per hour. C. 12,000 BTU per hour. D. 18,000 BTU per hour. Let's see the answer. C. 12,000 BTU per hour. 3. Which component is responsible for circulating the refrigerant through the system? A. Expansion valve. B. Evaporator. C. Condenser. D. Compressor. Let's see the answer. D. Compressor. 4. Which part of a split AC is responsible for absorbing heat from the indoor room? A. Condenser coil. B. Evaporator coil. C. Capillary tube. D. Accumulator. Let's see the answer. B. Evaporator coil. 5. In a chiller system, what is used to carry the cold to different parts of a large building? A. Refrigerant gas. B. Chilled water. C. Compressed air. D. Engine oil. Let's see the answer. B. Chilled water. 6. What is the most common reason for ice forming on the evaporator coil? A. Too much gas. B. Dirty air filters or low airflow. C. High outdoor temperature. D. Using the remote incorrectly. Let's see the answer. B. Dirty air filters or low airflow. 7. What is the main benefit of an inverter AC compared to a fixed-speed AC? A. It makes the room colder faster. B. It runs on a battery. C. It saves electricity by adjusting the compressor speed. D. It does not require a stabilizer. Let's see the answer. C. It saves electricity by adjusting the compressor speed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.